to Comet. I like 2 towards the liquid. Hey Sudsy Mama, how are you, my love? Yay, thank you, Jazz. Yes, I like the green holiday fab. I just didn't get it. Right? No, no soy de México. No, no vivo en México. Vivo en Estados Unidos. Wait, what did you say? I missed your comment. I like the green one, but not the red one. Am I talking too much, guys? Okay, here we go. Es la primera vez que te escucho hablar en español. ¿Qué? ¿En serio? Siempre estoy hablando español. Somebody said this is the first time they hear me speak in Spanish, but I'm always speaking Spanish. Or at least I feel like I am. Oh my god, this smells so good. What's the combo? This is Salvo dish soap with pinepanelin and Roma powder. Y lo agradezco. Gracias, corazón. Tomorrow. It's tomorrow. Desde Colombia. Oh, and colibri lime. What time? I'm gonna post it tomorrow, the time. Okay? I will post it tomorrow. Because I don't even know what time. Thank you, everyone that's adding. Thank you. It smells so good, girl. I just want to keep squeezing in this. I'm not gonna lie. It smells amazing. I like how fluffy it's getting too. Let's add our epoxy, shall we? And then we can add our sponges back in. But I feel like the epoxy is gonna hit right in. Thank you, honey bear. Hi, Miriam. I have pinepanelin for 2. I have 2 bottles. Oh my god, this smells so good. Damn, I was thinking about this combo all day. I was in the car and I was like, damn, I bet you it's gonna be bomb as fuck. It's so good smelling. Oh my god, girl, I am so happy you added all that liquid because I want to save it all. I'm gonna save it. A $7? Okay, perfect. Thank you, Foca. Okay, let me go get your powder. Yeah, like a pasta. Gosh, thank you, my love. Perfect. Would anyone like to add a green one? My accent, I know my accent is so big. It is very, very big. This song, it's called No Broke Boys. Wait, what? Is that what it's called? For real? No Broke Boys. Excited for this. Oh, that was good. I know that shit was good. Can we get to 50K? Everyone tap. Girl, what did you do? Ooh, that's splashing. Oh. I want to dip it. Now that we have enough liquid, we can literally dip the sponge. This smells so good. Let me keep adding this blue. I'm gonna add powder on top. Oh, did I move you guys? Let me dip it. Muchas gracias. Yo, they love me. That was so good. It's getting fluffy. Nice and fluffy. Eve, thank you for sending for this combo first, because this was actually my craving all day. This is so good. I can, yeah. Rewind it. Right? Let's do it again. She's like, rewind that shit. Oh my god, this blue is so beautiful. I have Roma powder for 7, Roma powder for 3. I'll play it right